The phrase «не за что» in Russian is equivalent to saying you're welcome or it's nothing in English. It is used in response to someone thanking you for something, indicating that you do not consider what you did to be a significant favor or effort, and there is no need for the person to thank you. It is a polite way of deflecting gratitude and showing that you're willing to help and support others without expecting special recognition for your actions. But when you have done something significant and want to be remembered for it, in such situations, a more appropriate response could be to say «пожалуйста» or «рад помочь» for men, «рада помочь» for women. So, спасибо, пожалуйста, спасибо, рад помочь, спасибо, рада помочь, спасибо, не за что.